Today we're gonna do learn how to use MAC address filtering using a Huawei 5G modem. So the reason why we're doing this, there's one of our subscribers asked us to do that tutorial, and he did it yesterday, so I promised to do it today. So I sent that request yesterday, then I promised to do it. So even you guys, we do encourage you, if you do what you do have any question, you ask us, we will do a video for you. And if we can do it, if we have the knowledge of doing that, you get me. And sometimes if we don't have the knowledge, we do research and we try our best to at least get to the point that we do that video. Okay. Now let me go and show you the question, and we're gonna answer it right now, and it's gonna be practical. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on our notifications. We scroll down a bit down here. That's what we do. Okay, it says how to set MAC address filtering. This router Huawei 5G CPE is available. Can you tell me? Okay. This guy is a Russian guy, because he sent this. I can see the words are like a Russian. I don't know if Russian, whatever. I don't know. Okay, so far it's fine. I can't read his name because the language is super difficult for me. So what we're gonna do, he asked about Huawei. Let me show you the modem we're gonna go on. We're gonna do use. It's gonna be Huawei. This is the modem. I'm gonna look for the pictures and I show you. This is the modem we're looking for. This is the modem. Yes. Okay. This is the same modem. If you can look at this image, yeah, this is the modem we're looking for. Well, yes, we're gonna use that modem to do our stuff. I think you've seen it, right? So we're starting, and the start starts from here. You go to your browser and put in 192.168.8.1. Then you press enter. Once you press enter, the modem is gonna ask you for a username and password. Had already like logged in. That's why it took me straight here instead of taking me to the login, right? So what is MAC address filtering? So that's one of the things, or the features which helps you to block traffic from a specific device. You know, maybe it's a computer, it's a phone, it's a tablet, anything which connects to that modem. You know that I want to block anything from that. So well, what you do, you're gonna go to security, click there, and you can see number one is IP filtering. If you wanna filter any IP, computer or phone by IP, you click here. I'm doing extras, but it's okay. Then you type in the IP address you want, whatever. Okay, then you apply. Once you apply, that IP is not going to connect to your your computer anymore. So you click MAC address filtering. Now I'm not saying you should do this. The reason why we came here for this, but I'm just showing some extra stuff. So you can click on MAC address filtering, then you say add MAC address. So if you know the MAC address, then you start typing. For instance, it's gonna be 00 colony 1B, okay, 44, okay, 11, okay, 3A. In most cases they look like this. 3A, okay, then B7. Okay, once you do that, simply means you're gonna be blocking this guy. So once you do apply, okay, that guy is applied. It's applied here. You can see this person or this computer or this phone, it's blocked. It cannot connect to the internet on this modem. Understand? So if you wanna edit that, you can edit. If you wanna delete, you can delete, things like that. But this guy is blocked forever until when you say I don't want this guy to be blocked anymore. So you can edit. If you wanna edit, maybe you put another number to make things different. So if you say okay, maybe edit is gonna be 9, then you apply. It's gonna be the same thing, but it's gonna change the number to be 9. So well, if this guy behaves, maybe you decide, maybe it's your child, maybe it's your neighbor, maybe it's owing you. He pays you every month for your internet, and you know the IP or the MAC address, and then decides to do what? To pay you. And when he pays you, you can edit as we've done here, or you can do what? You can delete and say no, this guy is no more under the ban. You click that, you say okay. After doing that, then it's fine. Say URL filtering. So here it's when you say no one is going to watch this thing. Maybe you know those bad sites teenagers like to watch on things and stuff. You put in that ID, maybe that thing, maybe like I will say the website, maybe www.badthings.com. Okay, you say that website, no one is gonna visit it as long as that person is connected to this modem. He's not going to visit it. You get me? So we know that we blocked this, and we can test for you. We can say bad things was not allowed to visit our website. Okay, it's not allowed to visit using this internet. You can see it's rolling. Okay, see what's gonna happen. For instance, we can go to another website and say bbc.com. You can see now on BBC we go there, but on bad things, it's rolling. Nothing is gonna do what? Nothing is gonna happen. You can see we are having trouble finding this site. Understand? So that's what the guy or the child gonna see. Understand? So some sites are not really good, and maybe they chow a lot of data. Maybe they are not good for so now this is something which we've done also extra. Port forwarding, you know, we're not going to go there. SCL, DMZ, LG, UP, NP. You get me? So we managed to do 3 only things, but now the question for the brother here, we done with the question for MAC filtering. You get me? So he wanted to know on this specific router. So what I'm gonna do also this, you can edit it, or like as we did before, or you can do what? You can delete to take out this guy from the ban, right? Let me take this person from the ban here. Say, are you okay? You want to delete this record? Yes, I've deleted that. So that's the way. That's it anyway. In simple terms, that's the way to do MAC address filtering. So maybe there are people who stole your username and password, and you don't want to change the username and password, and don't want to show them that the username and password was changed, or you know they might steal them, and you know their IP addresses, they were what? MAC addresses. You put them there. And also if you know the what the websites you don't want anyone to visit under your modem or on your modem, so it's super easy. You can block those websites as I've showed you, and you've seen the type of a modem we been blocked on. But anyway, also on other modems it could be the same but different tabs. Click on different tabs and they could call it different names, you understand, but it's the same protocol, same thing. So If you guys have any question or any tutorial you want us to do, please let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Azania Tutorials, guys.